Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I will show you how to make a half double crochet. For this, half double crochet is actually longer than the single crochet, and for this you yarn over on your crochet hook a piece of the working yarn, and together with this you go to the next stitch, you insert your hook inside of your next stitch, you yarn over, pull through, and as you can see in your crochet hook there are three strands. And with the half double crochet what you need to do is yarn over and pull through all together, and this is a bit larger than your single crochet. So for another repeat I will make one more time. You take the working yarn piece on your crochet hook and you go to the next stitch, which is around here. You insert your crochet hook in, yarn over, pull through. As you can see there are three loops in your crochet hook. Yarn over and you make all these three together, and as you can see you create a half double crochet. Thank you for watching. If you find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out in the comment section down below. Hope to see you all in the next video.